Hello and welcome you all. Today in this video, we will be doing some new questions based on properties of determinant. Students, in this video, we learn how to multiply or divide in a determinant. So, our first question for today is using properties of determinant, prove that determinant 1 plus a 1 1 1 1 plus b 1 1 1 1 plus c equal to abc plus bc plus ca plus ab. Now, first step is to observe the determinant carefully and try to solve it in your mind. That which operation you're gonna apply here by considering the result of right hand side. And here, if you add all the elements of rows or columns, then you will not get the same element. And secondly, if you expand it directly, it must be easier here, but in other problems, this procedure is also time consuming. And if we want to expand it directly, then there is no point to study properties of determinant. So here, see the elements of row R1, which are 1 plus a, 1 and 1. And when we divide all the elements of row R1 by 1 upon a, row R2 by 1 upon b, and row R3 by 1 upon c. So we can write this as R1 tends to 1 upon a R1, R2 tends to 1 upon b R2, R3 tends to 1 upon c R3. So here we are dividing the elements of our determinant by some scalar values which are 1 upon a, 1 upon b or 1 upon c. So to compensate it, we will take ABC common outside the determinant, and therefore left hand side is equal to ABC and determinant will be equal to 1 upon a plus 1, 1 upon a, 1 upon a, 1 upon b, 1 upon b plus 1, 1 upon b, 1 upon c, 1 upon c, 1 upon c plus 1. And now when we add elements of row R1, R2 and R3, we get the same elements. So therefore R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So using this operation, as you can clearly see that all the elements of row 1 are 1 plus 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c. And on taking 1 plus 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c common from row R1. So in our determinant, we get 1 1 1, 1 upon b, 1 upon b plus 1, 1 upon b, 1 upon c, 1 upon c, 1 upon c plus 1. And now you can clearly see that all the elements of row R1 are equal to 1. And now we will make 2 zeros from here by applying column operation. So C2 tends to C2 minus C1 and C3 tends to C3 minus C1. We get ABC into 1 plus 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C. And in determinant, elements of column C1 will remain unaffected. So write them as it is. And then C2 minus C1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. And then 1 upon B plus 1 minus 1 upon B. So 1 upon B minus 1 upon B will get cancelled out and we get 1. And then 1 upon C minus 1 upon C is 1. And now C3 minus C1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 upon B minus 1 upon B is 0. And then 1 upon C plus 1 minus 1 upon C. So from here we get 1. And now on expanding it along row R1, we get ABC into 1 plus 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C into 1. So from here, when we multiply ABC, we get ABC plus BC plus CA and plus AB. And this is equal to our RHS. So hence proved. And now our second question for today is prove that determinant A square BC AC plus C square A square plus AB B square AC AB B square plus BC C square. And this is equal to 4A square B square C square. And now in this question, student, see the elements of determinant very carefully. So by taking A, B and C common from column C1, C2 and C3, we get ABC. And in determinant, A, C, A plus C, A plus B, B, A and B, B plus C, C. And now on applying the column operation, which is C1 tends to C1 plus C2 and minus of C3. So here elements of C2 and C3 will remain unaffected. So write them as it is. The first element of column 1, which is A, and then A12 element of column 2, which is C. So A plus C and then minus of A plus C is equal to 0. And then A21 element, which is equal to A plus B. So A plus B and then minus of A. So from here we get 2B. And then A31 element, which is B, and then plus A32 element, which is B plus C. So B plus B plus C is 2B plus C. And then when we subtract it by A33 element, which is C, So 2b plus c minus c is equal to 2b. So A31 is 2b. And now again, when we apply the operation that R2 tends to R2 minus R3. So from here, elements of R1 and R3 will remain as it is, and the elements of R2 will become 2b minus 2b, which is equal to 0, and then b minus c. So from here we get minus c, and then a minus c. And now student, from here when we expand it along column C1, we get ABC, and in bracket we will take directly A31 element, which is 2b. So we will hide row R3 and column C1 completely and find the determinant of the remaining elements, which are C into A minus C. So from here we get CA minus C square, and then minus of, so minus into minus will become plus. So plus AC and then plus C square. So from here minus C square and plus C square will get cancelled out, and we get ABC into 4ABC, and this is equal to 4 A square B square C square, and this is equal to RHS. So hence proved. And now student, one more point I want to discuss with you all. See, in matrix, when we are finding the inverse of matrix, we will apply either row operation completely or column operation completely. But in determinant, we can apply both the operation, that is column operation and row operation at the same times. But don't apply it like R1 tends to C2 minus C1, as this is completely wrong operation. Here, if you want to apply row operation, then apply it by taking only row elements. And if you want to apply column operation, then apply it by considering the elements of column only. And now practice this question mentioned on your screen and submit me the solution. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.